Malaysia is facing escalating AI-driven fraud attempts, driven by the surge in deepfakes. The number and quality of deepfakes is increasing.
How is your flight? Are you coming home?
Ma, I lost my wallets and bank cards. I made a police report, so I missed my flight.
为什么会这样 Are you okay?
Girl, is your passport with you?
Yes, I still got my passport, but I can't come back home because I don't have money. Pa, can you transfer me some money?
Don't worry, 爸爸转给你。
But how to transfer you the money?
Don't worry, Ma. I'm with my coursemate. You can just transfer to her account.
OK， 爸爸转500给你。
Pa, 500 哪里够 Give me 5,000. I'll pay back you later.
转啦
Fine, just send me the account number.
Thanks, Pa. You're the best. 爱你深深。
快点转给他，来。
爸妈 I'm home. 爸，钱转了没 I wanna go home. Is that my voice?
On a Magic 7 Pro. AI anti-scam technology. Detect deepfake in 3 seconds. Honor.